I'm going to remove the valves now. Last job basically of this engine. So let's whip the intake off. So reading a little bit, I'm watching some YouTube channels. I've got a double spring in these valves, and the reason being it's all about resonance frequency. So I'll show you when I take it apart, but basically if you start to get the resonant frequency in this spring, the spring action doesn't become a spring action, if you like. So they double spring it kind of to dampen this effect. Quite clever. I don't know if it's a common thing in engines. As I said, I'm no expert on 4-strokes. But we shall see what's going on. And then I've done the other head, so this is literally the last thing to do. Quite a moment. I'm going to call it phase 2 complete. After this, you could say we're halfway, which is obviously not true. I don't even think I'm a fifth of the way. Let's make some space. Okay. Valve spring compressor. Best thing, good as anything, is a magnet. One's already fallen. Collets, and just retrieve these. That's basically stops the spring, locks it all in place from flying out. Try and release this without damaging anything. It's okay. Slacken it for the next one, I think. There's a little cap. These all have to go back in same positions. So this is the double spring. It's what do I call it? Forget the bloody name. Progressive. There's the valve. Pops out nicely. Put that there. You've got a little cup there and an umbrella seal, you call it. You have to get that clip off and you have to replace these. So this is what basically gives you a smoky engine. And the oil goes down there. Among other things, but I guess because I'm not bothered about damaging them. Right, and then there's a little cut washer, pops off just to stop nailing, I guess. Gives it a nice place to sit. It's okay. I dropped that, but it's okay because I know the smaller pitch is always at the bottom. So it goes on like that. It goes on like that. Put my collets back in place. Shove that on there to keep it all kind of together-ish. And we'll bag it up separately. Right, I'm going to call this, that's the exhaust. It's a left-hand head. Left hand forward outboard valve, and it's the exhaust. That's a bit of aviation terminology coming out. A sniffly nose because it's a bit cold. It's December, so right, do the next one. Left hand forward inboard valve exhaust. Yes, exhaust. Okay, two more. Stupidly, well, it's not stupid because I can't get it out. I've left the spark plug in and I don't have anything at the moment to remove it. So probably the first job ever to do. Now the last one. So here we go again on the intakes. A bit bigger, so it's less to go wrong. Squeeze, clip. This will be, so left hand head, aft, outboard, valve, right. Okay. Yeah, because that's the oil drain. Last one. Put it in the bag. Quick look. Should be okay. As long as they're not bent. Little seal, umbrella seals. Push, squeeze it off, flick it off.